Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will prepare the front-end dependencies for our MERN application. So to get started, the first thing we will do is we will use npx create react app to install our client front-end. Okay, so let's open the terminal by pressing Ctrl and backtick key. So in the root directory, okay, so this is our root directory. We need to type npx create react app space client. Okay, and press enter. So it will take some time to install. Okay, so this client folder has been created in the root directory of our project. So let's go inside this client folder, and here I'll open package.json. So as you can see, all these dependencies are being installed. Okay, so here let me clear the terminal. Now we need to go inside the client folder. So cd client, and now we are inside the client folder. Now we can install the front-end dependency. So npm I means install. Okay, and the first one is Axios. So Axios allows us to make HTTP request from our React app. Okay, and next is React router DOM. Okay, so this provides the DOM binding for the React router. Okay, then we have Redux. So Redux is a state container for JavaScript apps. And then we have React Redux. Okay, React-Redux. So React Redux is React binding for Redux. And then we have Redux-Thunk. So this is the middleware. However, with plain vanilla Redux store, you can only do simple synchronous updates by dispatching an action. Okay, so this middleware extends the store capabilities and allows us to write asynchronous logic that interact with the store. For example, we can make asynchronous request with our actions. Okay, and then we have Redux hyphen DevTools hyphen extensions. Okay, only extension. So these are Redux dev tools for debugging the application state changes, and this extension just make it easier. Okay, now let's hit enter. Let me close this file. Okay, we don't require this package.json. Okay, okay, let's open it again. Okay, I want to show you that all the dependencies are being installed. So now, as you can see, all these dependencies like Axios, React, Redux, React, Router DOM, all this are been installed. Okay, so now let's close this file and let's clear the terminal. Now let's go inside the package.json file, which is in the root directory. Okay, let me make it small. Here we need to create some scripts. So first in the server script, we need to add server. Okay, after nodemon. So here I will add server just to make it clear what I'm doing. Okay, now the another script which we need to create is client, and here we need to write npm start. It means the client will start, and we need to use hyphen prefix space client because I want to run from the client directory. Okay, and then the another script is dev. So here I'll be using concurrently. So concurrently, this will help us to run both the server and the client at the same time. And we need to escape the inner double quotes. Okay, so here I will write slash, then double quotes, npm run server, then again a slash. Okay, Then here we need to add a slash double quotes npm run client, okay, and a slash double quotes, okay, and then a comma. So this is the way we need to write it. Let's save this file. Now inside the client folder, let's open the package.json file, and at the bottom we need to add a proxy. Okay, so here add a comma, then here inside the double quotes we need to write proxy. Okay, that is going to be http colon front slash localhost colon 5000. Okay, let's save this. So this way, whenever I use Axios routes like axios.get, I don't have to type http colon forward slash localhost colon 5000 every time. Just type API slash user. Okay, now inside the terminal, let's go back to the root directory. So cd dot dot enter. Okay, cd space dot dot. So now we are inside the root directory. Okay, let's clear this terminal. Okay, now let's try to run npm run dev and hit enter. So the client started and even the server has started. Server started on port 5000. So let's go to the browser, and here let's do localhost 3000. So our React app is being started. So this is our front end and this is our back end. Okay. So localhost 5000 is the backend server and localhost 3000 is the front end server. And one more thing, I have added React developer tools and Redux dev tool in the Chrome extension. Okay. So I have already installed it. So what you can do is you can just type React developer tools and you can see here is the first link. So here right now it is showing me remove from Chrome because I've already installed it in my Chrome browser. So maybe in your machine it will say install. So you just need to install this and even this one, Redux Dev Tool. So both this tools are very handy for debugging our React Redux app. So we have successfully prepared the client-side front-end dependencies for our MERN application. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.